business is Skin of Love Lavender Seeds. We specialize in all things in terms of natural skincare products and lavender based products. Now, for example, we work on the basis that 60% of what you put on your skin goes into your blood. So we try to work with all natural plant oils, natural plant extracts, things that are compatible with the human body system. All of our skincare products are tested to meet the EU cosmetic standard, which remains the highest cosmetic standard in the world. We work on the basis that less is more. So less of a product used, but better benefits to the skin. We don't put unnecessary filling products in to fill the product out and to fill up the packaging. So for example, our hand oil, you're looking at 1 to 3 droplets should moisturize both your hands. Our foot moisturizer, we recommend 1 to 3 droplets for each foot. Then we get on to other things. We do a lavender pulse point, which is a roll-on product. So you just roll it onto the pulse, and then it allows you to enjoy the benefits of lavender. We also do a pure English lavender essential oil. A bottle is stuck down, so I can't do it. And we also do a nail cuticle oil. Once again, made out of natural oil products. You're looking at about 3 to 4 droplets should moisturize all your fingernails, ideally massaged in. Avocado seed, these are just examples of where the actual ingredients come from. These are lavender buds, these are sunflowers, this is spearmint, and that's peppermint. And it's from these natural ingredients that we then get the products which we then generate and turn into products. We also do things like the dried lavender, our floral displays. And then we also do things like the lavender cotton bags, which are very good for keeping moths away from your wool and cashmere products. And we also do things like this, the potpourri, which is the pure lavender oil combined with lavender flowers inside, and you can just put a few droplets in there, and it helps to keep the room fragrant and fresh. You're ready? Yeah, please like, subscribe and share this video.